Hi there, how are you? It's Linda from Memories and Photos here. I'm just coming in to give you a quick tip about making the most of your stash. So I'm in the middle of putting some pages together, and these particular pages have a strip on the bottom. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. They have a strip on the bottom that the shops use with the barcode on. There you go. So this strip has the barcode one side. On the other side, they've got a design. Now, we need to cut this bit off as scrapbookers, because if we're trying to slip these pages into 12 by 12 page protectors, they won't fit. So we have to cut it off. But what do you do with it after that? Do you throw it away? Well, actually, these little strips, you know, they can be used. I'm just putting together a page. I've cut a couple of strips off and I'm going to use them on my page. So little extra bits. Why not? Especially if you're short of a particular colour. You've only got so much paper. You want to make use of everything on that colourway. So I thought that would be just to remind you that that's there. So make use of every bit. Get your money's worth. I'll be back with another tip very soon. Catch you later. Bye.